It's a great honor when you think of all the unbelievable professors that we have doing so many contributions around campus. And I think it was really a recognition of our collaboration that Professor Susan Sanchez and I have been doing for 2 decades now, and really the support team we have from our center and all the students who've worked with us within the Seed Center. Over 200 students have done their thesis research in the center, and they're helping us develop methods, applying them. That's really, lifts up everything we do.
This was both very exciting and very humbling. There are a lot of great researchers here on campus, so I'm just very pleased that Tom and I were able to receive this award. What we're working on is not a single project, but it's a whole range of methods. So basically, SEED stands for Simulation Experiments and Efficient Designs. And what we've been working on are better ways of designing and analyzing simulation experiments.
Everyone knows the revolution in computing capabilities. We're able to, we literally have 1 million times more processing power at our fingertips than we used to. And how do we use that in the most efficient ways? And that's what Professor Sanchez and I have worked on. High dimensional design of experiments. Navy's constantly deciding how they should be equipped, organized, employed.
A lot of our students deal with what are called agent-based simulation models. So it's really taking things from a step beyond maybe what is this new piece of equipment capable of, but how would embedding that equipment change the way that our sailors and soldiers conduct operations.
So the central theme is how can people get more information from their models, and how can they get them in a faster, more robust way? So that's the sort of central theme. But we've had a dozen different sponsors over the years, all the different services, active forces in Afghanistan and others. So yeah, it's been a long journey with lots of things contributing, but the main focus is just that. How can we help people get information faster and better from their models to ultimately make better decisions?
When I first arrived at NPS in 1999, I thought I was here for a 1-year sabbatical. So no, the chance to go ahead and work on these really exciting problems, that opened my eyes to a new realm of possibility for the research that I was doing.
We never had any grand design plan strategy. We've literally taken it year by year in the 20 years we've been working together. But we saw this need, this problem, and we just started working on what was in front of us, and we solved those problems, and then there's something else, and there's never any end. So I think really focus on the things you love doing, and I think particularly the way modern technology has moved so fast. I don't think you can project out what things will look like 10 years in the future.
I think one of the most important things, whether people are working on, sort of the same line of research for a long time, or whether they're looking at going off and working on a variety of things, is to really be passionate about what it is that you're working on. So one of my favorite quotes is, "To love what you do and feel that it matters, what could possibly be more fun?" By Catherine Graham. And I feel if you have that core of what you're interested in and what you really like to do, then that's something that can sustain you along the way.